Ed Marsh here to tear the scab off a painful topic about CRM for industrial manufacturers. CRM customization is critical, and many companies fail to do it. Machinery builders and capital equipment companies in particular can extract massive additional value from their CRM investment with certain customizations, but they often miss the opportunity. This happens for a few reasons. Companies may assume that whatever CRM they pick will be right, just out of the box. It's not. Or that it will be relatively easy to customize. Often it's not. In fact, in many cases, it requires a significant investment in customization and configuration. Or some think that the purpose of the CRM is primarily a sales contact manager and don't stop to think about the need to configure sales pipeline, for instance, to match their business. Or in some cases, the folks selling the software haven't fully explored how it should be optimized for their prospect's business. Today's topic really relates to that. Custom objects unlock a hugely powerful set of capabilities in CRM. In some cases, they're easy to create. In others, it seems like to just get started, it takes $50,000 in consulting and a PhD. But before we worry about how configurable the software is, let's answer a more immediate question. What is a custom object? An object is a category of records in your CRM. Common standard objects include leads, contacts, companies, quotes, deals, and tickets. There are relationships between objects. For instance, there's often a one-to-many relationship between companies and contacts. And there's a many-to-many relationship between contacts and deals. Objects each have properties associated with them. For instance, the standard contact object and company objects each have phone number fields. And it makes sense they should be separated by the object type because obviously the company switchboard number is different than each contact's direct dial and mobile numbers. So switchboard number is a property associated with the company object and mobile number is a property associated with the contact object. But think about your business for a minute. Are standard objects enough? For many middle market industrial manufacturers, the answer is no. And here are a couple examples. If you sell machines, where do you log machine serial numbers and service properties, including service date, warranty expiration, program version, operator's manual, component serial numbers, order date, etc.? Some you could associate with the deal or quote object, except they're different. Some you could associate with a contact, for instance, the service manager. But still, they're different. They don't quite fit there. The point is that certain properties really should be associated with a single serial number. And often multiple serial numbers should be associated with a company. And maybe even with an order and quote record. So that means you need a custom object for the machine. Other appropriate custom objects include warranty, tickets, now that may be standard, order, and often channel partners. When you include these in your CRM, suddenly you're creating a tool to enhance your team's efficiency and ability to create a great customer experience. Often this data can be reflected in a customer portal through an integrated CMS, and different departments access data differently. These dramatically improve the total value of the CRM for everyone involved. But if they're not envisioned or planned from the beginning, then you may end up with a CRM that's purchased based on limited expectations. In my experience, every really successful CRM implementation includes custom objects. The details, of course, depend on the business, but they're there. So make sure you understand custom objects when you consider which CRM system to use for your company, or if you wonder how to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the software you already have.